Hindi na rin daw po siya laging magsusuot ng bota kasi lagi daw pong maputik yung ating market dati. No? So, at happy siya dahil malinis at moderno na ang ating bagong mga market. No? These new Iloilo public markets are powerful symbols of Iloilo's growth, progress, and the unwavering spirit of its people. At SM po, we are truly proud and happy to stand beside the Iloilo City Government in its mission to modernize the public markets and uplift our communities. Ang pakikipagtulungan ito ay isang magandang halimbawa na kaya natin pala na makamit, no, sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan, pagiging bukas at pagkakaroon ng iisang layunin. Through the redevelopment of these important landmarks, we aim to create a clean, modern, and world-class markets while also preserving the culture that keeps Iloilo's rich history alive. These markets will become thriving centers of commerce, connection, and the community, where local vendors, MSMEs, local producers can continue to grow and succeed. This is a project for the people of Iloilo, something that we want you to be truly proud of. Para sa inyo po itong lahat, and it is one way of giving back to community. Maraming salamat po muli sa Iloilo City Government at sa tiwala at sa partnership. We share your excitement, your pride, and your love for this city. So together, let us continue to build this journey to grow and to showcase the best of Iloilo to the Philippines and to the world. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo tanan, and congratulations to Iloilo City on the opening of new Iloilo Terminal and Central Markets.